What's the deal, man? It's JT back with a new video. A lot of y'all have been wanting this video. I just got my apartment yesterday, and right now I'm doing all the little stuff right now, like getting the furniture, little house supplies and stuff like that. It's a lot of work, man. I've been at my mom's house for all this time. Just turned 20. Well, I ain't just turned 23. I'm about to be 24 in May, so this is my first apartment, man. Better late than never. There's a lot of people can't even do stuff like this, especially me being in a nicer area. You know, a lot of people can't. So really, really grateful for the position that I'm in to do stuff like this. Man, this is like one of my biggest goals finally accomplished, man. And another thing on why it's amazing that I got this crib now is so I can push out content regularly. Because being at my mom's house, I don't like recording around people. I get like real nervous and stuff. So whenever I'm alone, like my mom leave or there's just nobody in the house, that's when I normally go and record my YouTube videos or my course updates. So now I'm in my own place, you know, the excuses out the window. And, you know, one of my biggest things was to update y'all, you know, do course updates weekly, more videos pretty much every single day of the week now that I'm here by myself. And yeah, man, I'm about to turn it up. Told y'all 2020, man, it's about to be the best year of my life. I'm about to work so hard because my birthday right now, at the time of recording this video, is today is it February 11th, February 12th, something like that. My birthday, May 30th. One of my biggest goals was to get to 20 to 30K per month in income by then. That's why, because I know exactly what I need to do to get there. It's just a matter of me just locking in, man. I'm literally starting on work today. You know, once I finish up these last little errands, here come course updates, new YouTube videos every day. I'm going to Miami at the end of this month. So I got a lot of work I need to do, man. But let me show y'all, enough of me talking. I want to show y'all my crib, give y'all a quick little tour, and then I might shoot another video once all the furniture is in and stuff. All right, so here we are. I have zero furniture, and it's a mess right now. I'm really just organizing everything, so I'll be laughing at me and stuff. But got my little chair, little motorcycle stuff. Y'all gonna see some motor vlogs later this year. Well, not later this year, in a couple months when bike season come back around. But yeah, man, a nice little one bedroom. Kitchen area, kind of small. I like the bathroom though, pretty nice. Had my sister do all this stuff. I got a few more things I need to do to fill out everything. Of course, gotta get a bed, all that stuff. A whole bunch of stuff, man. Let me see. I'll show y'all the washer. Yeah. Oh, let me know too in the comment section. Do y'all want to see like behind the scenes of my life, you know, vlogs and stuff, and what I do on a day-to-day basis? Let me know down in the comment section if y'all want to see that. Because I do plan on getting into that, like little mini movies and stuff. Where's that washer and dryer at? There you go. A little simple stuff, man. First apartment. Next year, when my lease is up, I plan on moving to LA. LA's been like my dream place to live at. I'm visiting LA for a vacation on my birthday. Most likely gonna be out there or Hawaii. One of those. I can't really. I might do like a drawing or something because it's both of those two places. Somewhere I always wanted to go, but yeah, man, it's pretty much that. Let me see if I had anything else to talk about. I don't know, man. I'm really excited, man. I got this apartment. Finally can work with no distractions, no excuses, you know, all that stuff. But yeah, man, I'm gonna put in a lot of work, man. That's all I know. But yeah, man, if y'all enjoyed this video, please leave a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know if y'all excited, ready for 2020. Updates, course updates, vlogs, crazy income proof, lifestyle. Let me know, man, down below. I'm about to get it in and run these little errands because my friend is about to pick me up any minute. And yeah, I need to get dressed and stuff. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.